Good evening. We interrupt your regularly scheduled content for this public service announcement. Are you currently looking for a great job in the open job market during this time of crisis? Standard hours, good pay, and great benefits? Well, if you're a person between the age of 16 and 65, you may or may not have a social media profile. With these social media profiles, you should consider that you should check up and see if there's anything that you can change. According to a survey completed in February 27th of 2020, 70% of employers screened their candidates to see if they would be a good fit based on their social media profile. Additionally, 43% check in on their employees to make sure that they are doing what they are supposed to, they are upholding the integrity of their position, and they're not lying about any sort of absences. So make sure if you tell your boss that you are having a sick day, you don't post on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook that you're down at the beach. So within this public service announcement, we advocate that people are able to stop, think, and then post. Stop, think, post. Stop what you're doing. You're on your phone right now, maybe thinking, looking around, about to post a picture of you and your friends doing something. Before you do that, why don't you just hold up, throw up that stop sign, and say, wait, maybe I should think. Is this necessary? Is it helpful? Is it something that my boss or I would want to show other people? 47% of employers also say that if you're not available online or if everything is blocked, that they won't call you for an interview. So think about keeping that social media profile, but keeping it clean. Lastly, if you stop, if you think, and you say, this is a great idea, go ahead, touch up on that, touch phone, touch screen, and post away. Whether it be a picture of you and your loved ones, whether it be a picture of a fun evening at a restaurant or tavern, maybe you should consider that you can post as much as you want to. Always remember to also keep your professional screen names, work names, whichever, professional. Maybe just include your name and a brief number. So, following up, stop, think, post. What was that? One more time. Stop, think, post.